going to be teaching you how to convert from base B to base 10. And I could actually spend 30 minutes talking about this, so this is just going to be very brief. But let me first talk about what a different base is. A different base is a counting system based on something other than 10. So for example, if I was in base 6, the way I would count in base 6 is I would do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In base 6, we don't have a 6, so that's when we go to 10. 10, 11. You would go all the way to 15, and at 15, the next number would not be 16 because 6 doesn't exist in base 6. The next number would be 20. 21, 22, all the way to 25. The next number would be 30. You would keep doing that all the way to 55. When you get to 55, you would do 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 40, blah, blah, blah. Keep going all the way to 55. At 55, you would not go to 60 because 6 doesn't exist. You would actually go to 100. So in base 6, real simple, all you're doing is anything past 6 and past 6 or more, I should say, doesn't exist. So you just count like that. Now, obviously you can't write this out every time you want to convert a base 6 number to a base 10 number, so I'm going to give you a shortcut. In base 10, if you think about the number 123 in base 10, this is the ones place, this is the tens place, and this is the hundreds place. Or another way to think of that, this is the 10 to the zeros place, this is the 10 to the ones place, and this is the 10 to the twos place. Now, if that's true in base 10, then that's also true in base 6. So just like before, this is the 6 to the zeros place, this is the 6 to the ones place, and this is the 6 to the twos place. So let me dumb it down for you. All you're going to do is mentally put those powers above each number, and then you're just going to do the math. What's 6 squared? 36. 36 times, how many 36s do I have? 1. So in my mind, I'm going to have 36 plus 6 to the first is 6. And 6, how many 6s do I have? 2. So 6 times 2 is 12. Plus 6 to the 0 is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. So I get 36 plus 12, 48, 49, 50, 51. So 123 base 6 is 51 base 10. Now let me explain to you what this means. If I started writing all the numbers in base 6, so I keep writing all these numbers, and I get to the 51st number in that list, it would be 123. That's what I'm saying. And it's all about these powers of the base. 6 to the 0, 6 to the 1, 6 to the 2. Same thing goes here. These are all powers of 5. So these are the 5 to the zeros. These are the 5 to the 1s. 5 to the 2s. 5 to the 3s. So I just work my way across. 5 to the third is 125. How many 125s do I have? I have 1, so it's 125. Plus 5 squared is 25. How many 25s do I have? 2, so that's 50. Plus 5 to the first is 5. How many 5s do I have? 4, so that's 20. Plus 5 to the 0 is 1. What you'll start noticing is this is always 1. Anything to the 0 power is 1, so 1 times 1 is 1. Add those together, 175, 185, 195, 196. Base 10. And there you have it, converting base B to base 10. It's going to take a lot of work to get good at this, but once you get the pattern down, it's not so bad. Good luck.